Pretty people, welcome back to House. Today I am very excited and also ready to get started. Today I am going on a little trip. My boyfriend's niece's birthday party is today and they're going bowling, so I had to tag along because I love bowling. So right now I'm just priming my eyes. Alright, and now we're just gonna get into this lovely new palette I got. This is the Duped Cosmetics eyeshadow and bling bling, the Sweet Peachy palette. Now I got this from a app called Top Hatter. If you don't know what Top Hatter is, it's basically an app like eBay but quicker. You don't have to wait hours and hours and hours to find out whether you won or not, which is the best. And yeah, it's pretty cool. So this is what the palette looks like. And I could show you on swatches today because we are just going to get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is take this shade right here and just put it onto my eyelids. Just for a nice base on the lids. And just let everything will be even because of the shade, which is pretty cool. The next thing I'm going to do is go in with this brush, and since this is a Sweet Peachy palette, I was thinking to go the Sweet Peachy way. So I'm just gonna go into this color right here onto my crease. They don't have shade names because it's not like the regular palettes. It's a dupe since it's from Dupe Cosmetics. So this is what that's looking like. Lots of kickback. Alrighty, the same brush. I'm gonna go in with this orangey like nectar shade right here. Tap. Not so much kickback on that one. Ooh. As far as pigmentation goes, they're alright. That looks pretty dang cool. Alrighty, now I'm going to go in. Let's see. In with the shade onto the crease as well, just a little bit lower and going into the outer V. I don't like this look so far. I'm going to use this brush and I'm going to go into this shimmery shade onto the middle of the lid. Not really doing anything. See if I can go in with my finger. Oh, this shade isn't pigmented at all. And then I'm also going to go in with this shade on top of the center of the lid for a little extra bling. Ooh. I kind of want to go a little bit deeper on the crease. So I'm gonna go in with this shade as well. Tap. There you go. That's a little bit better. Alrighty. I am going to finish the rest of my makeup and then you will see the final look. See you soon, party people. Party people, this is the finished look. Let me just try and zoom you in here. Well, that's all for today. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!